Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Marksmith, a GitHub-style Markdown editor built for Ruby on Rails. It's seriously cool.
I'm all ears. What makes Marksmith stand out from other Markdown editors? Is it just a prettier interface, or is there more to it?
Oh, it's way more than just a pretty face. The core idea is to mimic the simplicity and efficiency of GitHub's Markdown editor. You know, that clean, distraction-free text area? That's the foundation. It uses a plain text area, focusing on pure text input for a natural writing experience. No WYSIWYG distractions.
I see. So it prioritizes a plain text approach. But what about features? GitHub's editor isn't just a blank box, right?
Exactly. Marksmith cleverly integrates GitHub's Markdown toolbar element for quick styling changes. It also boasts a built-in preview pane, so you can see your Markdown rendered as HTML in real time. And get this, it includes a helper that renders that same HTML on your Rails show pages or wherever you need it. Customizable and extendable too.
That preview feature is a huge time saver. But what about image handling? That's always a pain point with Markdown.
Ah, yes. Marksmith integrates seamlessly with Active Storage, Rails file storage solution. You can drag and drop images or use a dedicated button. Images are automatically formatted as Markdown image links, and other files are attached as regular links. It's super smooth.
Impressive. And what about those little things that make a big difference, like list continuation?
Absolutely. Just like GitHub, Marksmith has list continuation. Hit return after a list item, and it automatically adds a new one on the next line. It's the small details that make a big difference in workflow efficiency. Plus, it integrates with Avo's media library, letting you easily insert previously uploaded images without duplication.
That Avo integration is a smart move. It sounds like they've thought of everything. But one thing I'm curious about, the claim that it's GitHub-style. Is it a perfect clone, or are there differences?
It's inspired by GitHub's editor, aiming for that same clean and efficient feel. It's not a pixel-perfect clone, of course. It's tailored for the Rails ecosystem, leveraging active storage and offering features specific to that environment. But the core philosophy, clean text input, powerful features without clutter, is definitely there.
That makes sense. So where can developers get their hands on Marksmith?
It's available on GitHub as an MIT licensed gem. It's an engine that integrates quickly into any Rails app, and it works particularly well with Avo. The link is in the show notes, of course. Check it out.
Sounds fantastic. Thanks for breaking down Marksmith for us. It seems like a really useful tool for Rails developers.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.